Hi! In today's video, I'm going to bring you a close-up view of a combination partial denture. Hi dental fans, I'm Dr. Rich, a general dentist with over 20 years of experience. I'm teaching you about dentistry and teeth so that you can have a very nice smile. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my weekly dental videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you an up-close look of a combination flexible partial denture. It's a combination of a traditional partial denture, which has a metal framework, metal clips with hard plastic gums and teeth, and it's combined with soft flexible plastic partial denture. So a traditional partial denture with hard plastic and metal clips, which helps hold it in, works really well for most people. If you're going to have a partial denture. The downside is, though, the clips that hold it in are made out of metal, of a silver alloy, the same metal that makes up the framework of it. So, if you're missing quite a few teeth and the clips have to be close towards the front, or if you're somebody that has a very, very big smile, kind of like Julia Roberts style, where you show every single tooth, you will see that silvery metal kind of shining, twinkling back at you. So a nice option is this combination type of partial. So the combination partial uses the still has the strong metal framework, and it does have metal clips on it, usually way in the back or on the tongue side, roof of the mouth side, where you won't see them when you smile. But where the clips are that you might possibly see, they're replaced with a flexible plastic, which is nice because the plastic is usually made out of, is pink colored, so it looks like your gums. In certain cases, they can even make it white, so it looks like a tooth. But generally, I think the pink is much more common because of where the clip has to sit right along the gum line. It blends into the gum a little bit better that way. And normally the flexible plastic is kind of too flexible to use to replace lots of teeth. Like in this case, we're replacing 7 teeth for this person. So I'll use an all flexible partial if I'm replacing 1 tooth, maybe 2 teeth at the most. That way it's not going to flex so much that it's uncomfortable and will be noticeable. If you're trying to bridge a long span, like 3-4 teeth, like in this case, that's too far to go with just a flexible plastic. It will flex too much and it'll be noticeable. It'll move, dig into the gum in various spots. Over the years I've had some people that loved it, but most didn't love it. So I've kind of switched over to making this combination style where we have the strong metal framework so that it holds in, doesn't move around, doesn't flex as much, but we use that flexible plastic to replace the clips. So, what kind of partial denture do you have? Do you have a traditional partial? Do you have an all flexible partial? Do you have one of these combination flexible partial dentures? Please leave me your comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.